Today's agenda will cover the purpose and the reason that there is a necessity to extract data from legacy onboarding. We will discuss the various types of data that is stored in onboarding and which types of data may need to be extracted. We will cover the steps you may need to take in your decision path. We will also cover some of the technical details of extracting that data and give some examples of how we have done this for our clients. As I mentioned, the purpose of today's call is to discuss the data impacts of migrating from the legacy version to the new version of onboarding. The reason this is important is because as of the release of 16A, legacy onboarding will no longer be available for users to access. Each organization using Taleo onboarding will need to determine how they will choose to archive that data. Oracle does not currently provide a solution for the archival of this data. Most clients capture and store critical legal data as part of their new hire onboarding process. Items such as W-4 forms, I-9, background check data, and others that are completed prior to an employee joining the organization are important for legal defensibility. These items that are captured often include electronic signature to confirm the date and time that the new hire signed or accepted these documents. Once you have upgraded to version 16A, you will no longer have access to this data. 16A is currently scheduled to be released in the summer of 2016. So, who uses this data that is captured as part of the onboarding process? Well, HR, legal teams, and other stakeholders may need to access this data for various reasons, including lawsuits, OFCC/P audits, and others. Each organization is different in terms of who must have access to this data and could be used by many facets of your organization. Each of these groups will help to determine where this data is stored, for how long, and how they may gain access to this data when required in the future. There are two technologies used for pulling the data out of Taleo Legacy Onboarding. Taleo Connect Clients, or TCC, which is an integration tool owned and operated by clients that can be used to extract the data. We can also use Business Objects, which is a reporting tool that utilizes objects and variables for extracting data. Both of these tools are included with your Taleo license. One important note regarding Business Objects is that Oracle is sunsetting this tool by the end of 2016. If you will need to use this tool for the extraction, it must be completed by then. The next slides will help you further identify the opportunity and options for extracting this data, along with some of the technical aspects of this process.